I welcome you all. This is Jagadeesan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering in RMD Engineering College. In this video, learn about art transient annotation. What is art transient annotation? Is used in Java to identify the particular field should not be persisted in the database. We cannot save that particular column in the database. This annotation is typically used to context of Java persistent API and Hibernate, where it is played a crucial role in managing the mapping of the class attribute to the database column. When the field is marked with transient, the persistence provider will ignore that field during any database operations such as insert, update, or select. The purpose of the transient annotation. The primary purpose of using the transient annotation is to include a specific field for being the persistent in the database. This can be useful in various scenarios, such as when the field is derived or calculated from other persistent field, or when is old temporary state information that should not to be saved. So real-time example for that, consider a scenario e-commerce application where an entity order as a field total amount is calculated from the sum of line items. The total amount is a derived value, it's not to be persisted in the database. Therefore, the annotation are transient to be included it from persistent operation. Why you use are transient? The efficient, clarity, control. For the efficient, reduce the amount of data stored in the database, lead to the potentially faster query performance and less storage usage. Clarity clearly distinguishes between the field that is a part of the entity processing and those are not, improving code readability and maintainability. The control is give the developer fine gain control over the mapping between the application data model and the database schema. Our transient annotation is a powerful tool for managing the persistence of Java objects. Ensure that only the data is stored while keeping a derived or temporary data type. Here, the simple example demonstrating the use of transient annotation. First, we have to write the package. Is this example for REST application? So, import entity, the import the generated value, import generated tag, import ID, import function. So that at entity is there, it's a creating a table, public class of product, the product is a table name, then at ID is a primary key attribute. So generated value, we have to say automatically the primary key value can be generated. So long ID is the first attribute, it is the primary key attribute. For that we can use at ID. So that it is a primary key attribute. Then another attribute name and another one is a price. So at transient can be implemented in a discounted price so that it can be not processed in the database table. After that, the getter and setter is set, get ID and set ID, get name, get price and set price, get discounted price. Finally, we are going to calculate the discounted price passing a parameter double discounted price. This dot discounted price is the discounted price. We are going to get the value. And that we are going to, based on that, we are going to do the calculation with the help of apply discount method. We passing the parameter discount rate and discount price equal this dot price and minus this dot price into multiplication. So finally, what happened is the entity annotation at entity is marked with class API entity. Table can be entity is nothing but table. ID annotation, primary key field, auto generated annotation at generated value. That's way how the primary key should be generated. And transient annotation is at transient. It makes a distinct field transient. It means not persistent in the database. Thank you.